Welcome to the world of freelancing, the art of working independently. As a freelancer, you are your own boss. You choose your projects, set your hours, and have the freedom to work from anywhere. Thanks to the internet, freelancing has become more accessible than ever, with millions now earning a living right from their homes. In this realm, you sell your skills directly to clients, with no middlemen involved. This not only creates a direct relationship with those who need your services, but also means you keep more of the money you earn, which can be very rewarding. However, freelancing isn't just about freedom. It requires discipline, planning, and hard work. You need to manage your time well and stay organized. But with the right approach, freelancing can lead to a fulfilling and lucrative career. This guide will take you through the basics of freelancing, covering everything from setting up your workspace to finding clients, so let's dive into the world of freelancing together. Why do so many people choose freelancing? Well, one major reason is flexibility. You decide when and where to work, with no more commuting or rigid office hours. This is perfect for those who value a work-life balance. Freelancing also offers the potential for higher earnings. You set your rates and can take on multiple clients. Many freelancers find they earn more than they did in traditional jobs, especially skilled workers like designers, writers, and developers. Then, there's the variety of work. As a freelancer, you can choose projects that interest you, keeping the work exciting and engaging. You're not stuck doing the same tasks every day, and each project can bring new challenges and opportunities. Lastly, freelancing can provide more security than traditional employment. With multiple clients, you are not dependent on a single employer. If one client leaves, you still have others, and diversifying your income this way can provide stability. The first step in freelancing is knowing what you can offer. Start by listing your skills. Think about what you are good at and what you enjoy doing. This could be writing, graphic design, programming, or even social media management. Once you have your list, research the demand for these skills. Look at freelancing platforms to see what clients are looking for. Are there many job postings for your skills? What are other freelancers charging? This will help you understand the market. Next, consider any additional training you might need. There are many online courses available to help you improve. Investing in your skills can pay off in the long run, as clients are willing to pay more for high-quality work. Finally, think about how you can package your skills. Create services that are attractive to clients. For example, if you are a writer, you could offer blog posts, articles, and copywriting. Make it easy for clients to understand what you do. A good workspace is crucial for freelancing. It helps you stay focused and productive. Start by choosing a quiet spot in your home. This could be a spare room or a corner of your living room. Make sure it is free from distractions. Invest in a comfortable chair and a good desk. You will be spending a lot of time here, so ergonomics are important to prevent strain and injury. Also, make sure you have good lighting. Natural light is best, but a good desk lamp can also help. Organize your workspace with everything you need. Have your computer, notebook, and any other tools within reach. A clutter-free environment can boost your productivity. Add some personal touches like plants or artwork to make it a pleasant space. Finally, set boundaries with those you live with. Let them know when you are working and should not be disturbed. This helps create a professional environment, even at home. A dedicated workspace can make a big difference in your efficiency. Online platforms are a great way to find freelance work. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect freelancers with clients. Create profiles on multiple platforms to increase your chances of finding work. Start by completing your profile. Include a professional photo and a detailed description of your services. Highlight your skills and experience. This is your chance to make a good first impression. Clients are more likely to hire you if your profile is complete. Next, search for jobs that match your skills. Many platforms allow you to filter jobs by category, budget, and deadline. Apply to jobs that you are confident you can complete. Tailor your proposals to each job. Show clients that you understand their needs. Finally, ask for reviews and ratings from your clients. Positive feedback can help you build a strong reputation. It makes it easier to get hired in the future. Be polite and professional in all your interactions. Your online reputation is crucial. Your freelance profile is your online resume. It is the first thing clients see. Make sure it stands out. Start with a catchy headline. This should summarize what you do in a few words. For example, expert graphic designer or professional content writer. Next, write a compelling summary. Describe your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Be specific. Mention any notable projects or clients you have worked with. Use bullet points to make it easy to read. Include a portfolio of your work. This could be links to websites you have built, articles you have written, or designs you have created. Showcasing your best work can impress potential clients. It gives them a sense of your capabilities. Finally, list your skills and certifications. Many platforms allow you to take tests to verify your skills. This can add credibility to your profile. Keep your profile updated with new skills and projects. A strong profile can attract more clients. Good client relationships are key to freelancing success. Communication is crucial. Be clear and professional in all your interactions. Respond to messages promptly. Keep clients updated on the progress of their projects. Set clear expectations from the start. Agree on the scope of work, deadlines, and payment terms. Put everything in writing. This helps prevent misunderstandings. A written agreement can protect both you and the client. Deliver high-quality work on time. This builds trust and can lead to repeat business. If you encounter any issues, address them promptly. Be honest about any delays or problems. Clients appreciate transparency. Finally, ask for feedback. This can help you improve and shows clients that you care about their satisfaction. A satisfied client is more likely to recommend you to others. Building strong client relationships can lead to a steady stream of work. Time management is essential for freelancers. Without a boss to set your schedule, it is easy to get off track. Start by setting a daily routine. Decide when you will start and finish work each day. Stick to this schedule as much as possible. Use tools to help you stay organized. A calendar can help you keep track of deadlines. Task management apps like Trello or Asana can help you prioritize your work. Break your tasks into smaller, manageable steps. This can make them less overwhelming. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. This can help you work more efficiently and produce better quality work. Take regular breaks to rest and recharge. Short breaks can actually boost your productivity. Finally, set boundaries with your work. It can be tempting to work long hours, especially if you love what you do. But it is important to have a work-life balance. Make time for hobbies, exercise, and spending time with loved ones. This can prevent burnout. Turning your freelance skills into a steady income requires strategy. Start by setting your rates. Research what other freelancers in your field are charging. Consider your experience, skills, and the value you provide. Do not undervalue yourself. Next, build a diverse client base. Do not rely on a single client for all your income. This can be risky. Look for clients in different industries. This can provide stability if one industry slows down. Offer packages or retainer agreements. This can provide regular income. For example, a monthly retainer for social media management. Clients appreciate the predictability, and you can count on regular payments. Finally, invest in marketing yourself. This can include a professional website, social media presence, and networking. Join freelance communities online and offline. Attend conferences and workshops. The more you market yourself, the more opportunities you will find. Many have found success in freelancing. Take the story of Jane, a graphic designer. She started freelancing part-time while working a full-time job. Within a year, she had enough clients to quit her job and freelance full-time. She now runs a successful design business from home. Or consider Mark, a freelance writer. He began by writing blog posts for small businesses. His reputation grew, and he started writing for larger companies and magazines. Today, he enjoys a steady stream of high-paying clients. Then there is Sarah, a virtual assistant. She started by offering administrative support to small business owners. Word of mouth spread, and she soon had more clients than she could handle. She now hires other virtual assistants to work under her. These stories show that success is possible with dedication and hard work. Each of these freelancers identified their skills, marketed themselves, and built strong client relationships. They took advantage of the opportunities freelancing offers. Ready to start your freelancing journey? Begin by identifying your skills. Create a list of what you can offer. Next, set up your workspace. Make sure it is comfortable and free from distractions. Create profiles on freelancing platforms. Complete your profiles with a professional photo, detailed description, and portfolio. Start applying for jobs that match your skills. Tailor your proposals to each job and highlight your experience. Set goals for yourself. How many clients do you want to have in 6 months? What income level are you aiming for? Having clear goals can keep you motivated and focused. Remember to keep improving your skills and marketing yourself. Finally, be patient and persistent. Freelancing can take time to build up. Do not get discouraged if you do not find clients immediately. Keep applying, improving, and learning. With dedication, you can turn your freelance dream into a reality.